Hello friends, welcome to PrepMate classes. In this lecture, we will discuss how to prepare general mental ability and basic numeracy for UPSC Prelims GS Paper 2. Specifically, the objective of this lecture is to understand topics to be prepared under GMA, what GMA section does not include, analysis of GMA, approach to prepare GMA. You can see on your screen the topics to be prepared under GMA section and the contribution of these topics in prelims. Linear equations has been the favorite chapter of UPSC from GMA section. In all, there are 16 topics to be covered. It is important to know what GMA does not include. There has been no questions from chapters which require specific background in maths, such as trigonometry, geometry, coordinate geometry, algebra. Though there have been questions from probability, but there has been no questions from branches of probability, such as normal distribution, Poisson distribution, etc. Under mensuration, there has been no question for complex shapes and figures such as trapezium, hexagon, etc. UPSC exam is for all of us, thus questions from technical topics are avoided. Let us understand GMA from a different perspective now. On top of your screen, the names of two chapters are mentioned, linear equations and quadratic equations. These chapters explain the methodology to solve questions, and remaining 14 chapters deal with particular type of questions. Thus, it is important that candidate is strong in linear and quadratic equations. Now, let us take an example from Prelims 2017 CSAT paper. As you can see, this question is from Work and Time. The question involves understanding of how to solve work and time problems, and actual solution can be obtained by solving linear equations. At the same time, candidates should be well versed under questions asked from various chapters. Let us now understand the nature of questions asked in UPSC. The questions involve less calculations. Now let us take an example from Prelims 2017 CSAT paper. On your screen, you can see a question. As is evident, this question does not involve any major calculation. The questions demand understanding of question statement. Now let us have a look at the solution of the question we have just considered. For obtaining the correct answer, this question required understanding of the question statement. As mentioned, the questions do not deal with technical concepts. Now we come to the approach for preparing GMA. The questions should focus on basic understanding. As calculations are less, shortcuts are not required. Moreover, shortcuts have limited application to very small type of questions. All the 16 topics mentioned should be covered because question can appear from any topic. Do not waste your time on solving very difficult questions. Thanks for watching the video. Best of luck. For best learning, you can watch this video along with PrepMate's Engage UPSC series, which is available online as well as offline. Book features: complete subject in a single book with practice and past year questions at the end of the chapters. Model answers for UPSC mains from authors. Using the application PrepMate and web portal prepmate.in, you can access comprehensive digital support in form of videos, mock prelims, answer writing practice, and regular updates.